lot of changes for the next season, that's for
Oh,
sure.
yeah.
Clear, cold night ahead. Mike Everett's here with our forecast tonight, Mike.
Yes, I am. You saw that gorgeous sunset tonight. There was not a cloud in the sky. That is a clear indication. High pressure in control for now. I'll show you what's about to happen, but let me show you what's happening right now. Seattle waterfront looking fantastic and chilly out there. Temperatures already in the 30s, and it looks like we're going to touch down in the upper 20s, lower 30s tonight, definitely below freezing, so make sure you take the necessary precautions there. We've got a northerly wind coming in about 7 to 10 miles an hour. That's actually slightly less than it was right around sunset tonight. It got up to about 15 miles an hour, but it looks like it's going to stay with us overnight tonight, putting a little bit of extra chill on what's already going to be a cool night out there. Now, tomorrow morning when you get up, it looks like there's going to be a combination of fog and or frost. I think I'm leaning more in the frost direction just because there's some moisture out there and it will be below freezing. In fact, in the 20s in many spots. Partly sunny on Thursday, so we will get the opportunity to warm very quickly and melt some of that frost, but then the big story this weekend is 2 rounds of rain. It looks like one will move in on Saturday, tapering to showers on Sunday. That's going to wet the ground just in time for us to tap into another atmospheric river on Monday. It looks like it's going to bring widespread rain and some mountain snow, and that could create some flooding issues. That'll be early next week. In the meantime, look at that high pressure. You can see all of British Columbia, part of Washington and Oregon. California's in the clear there as well. We'll see some of that cloud cover fill in tomorrow. This is the frontal boundary that'll push that rain in on Saturday. And then that is that plume of moisture that we will tap into on Monday. So yeah, it's going to be a wet few days. In the meantime, what we're looking at overnight tonight is a whole lot of clear skies. So current temperatures are already cool in places like Shelton is 27, Olympia is below freezing. We got 37 up towards Oak Harbor, Friday Harbor, and Port Angeles are right at the freezing mark, and Forks is in on that as well. So there's that cloud cover that we just saw on the GO 17 satellite a minute ago. That's going to fill in, give us partly sunny skies on Thursday, mostly cloudy skies on Friday. As you can see that, I would say very cloudy skies on Friday. And then what happens on Saturday is we will start to see some of those showers pushing in along Vancouver Island. And then by the time we get to about midday on Saturday, not only do we have rain filling in, but you can see the depth of that color. We're going to be talking about some heavy rain and snow in the mountains. That's what's going to be different this time around, is we'll see snow levels that'll be right about pass level. So we will be seeing some interruptions in travel, especially along I-90 on Saturday evening into Sunday morning there. And we're going to be seeing widespread rain, some of that heavy out towards the coast. Here's what we're looking at as far as snow levels go. You remember last time we tapped into one of those atmospheric rivers, we saw those snow levels go way up, 8,000, 9,000 feet. 4,000 we can handle. It's going to touch back down to about 3,500 on Tuesday, so it looks like we could build some snowpack. 7-day forecast shows us touching down in a cool place tonight, and then we'll see that rain start moving in on Saturday. It's going to stick with us all the way through Tuesday, and then we'll see the sun again Wednesday.